Hello there. Today I am going to show how to create a Google Ads account. First you need to search here ads.google.com. After that, for creating new account, you need to click here start now. Then new Google Ads account. After that, I recommended switch to expert mode. Click the switch to expert mode. Then you select the create an account without a campaign. Then you set there your business information, the billing country, my billing country Bangladesh, and you select your billing country. Time zone will be automatically selected. Currency, you can here select your currency, and then if you're interested to get new feature, then select yes. After that, click the submit button. Explore your account. Now create the Google Ads account. In the next video, I will show how to create a campaign.